Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another EDC budget knife video for you. Today I got three knives. I got the three shuffles, Kershaw Shuffles. Got the one, the two, the DIY, and this isn't a review, but since I got all three shuffles, I thought I'd show them. The Shuffle 2 is mine. I've done a video on it, and I'll leave a card someplace. The Shuffle 1 and the DIY are my son's. He let me borrow them. So I thought it was pretty cool having all three. And it's one, two. This one is stiff. Three. So line the points up to the line. So Shuffle 1, or the regular shuffle, I'm Blade HQ. It's going for about $14.99 right now. The Shuffle 2 and Blade HQ is going for $22.95. And the DIY and Blade HQ is going for $23.95. I don't know why the price has gone up on these. I got mine, 6-7 months ago, whatever, for like $18, and now it's $23. But I don't know. So the Shuffle 1, or the regular shuffle, is 5.75 inches long, blade length of 2.37, cutting edge is 2 inches, blade thickness is 0.11, and all three of these have 8CR 13 MOV steel. The 1 and 2 are drop points, or the 1 and DIY are drop points. The 2 is a Tanto design blade, and they all have GFN handles, scales. All three have a bottle opener. This one and DIY are that way. Shuffle 2 has this type of bottle opener, and that's supposed to be a screwdriver, but it actually works as a little pry bar. This one's the black wash. I like Kershaw's black wash. It's got the K design for the scales. The 2 is black wash too. I really like this blade. The scales have a different kind of texture. Like I said, it reminds me of flint. They chip in flint and make a arrowhead or something. The DIY's got just not too much of a texture to it, but obviously, they weigh a little different. The one's 2.8 ounces. The 2 is 3 ounces even. The DIY is the heaviest at 3.4. So this one's got a little bit of weight. It's not bad, but obviously the 3, you can see, has more to it. Let me close this up. It actually has screwdriver bits on the side. You slide them out, put them in the end. It's magnetized, and you got a screwdriver. So this one's actually pretty cool. I thought about getting one before, and now I got one in hand. except for it's so tight. I might look into getting one. They are, all three of them are tipped down. This one's only right hand carry, because obviously you got screwdriver bits here. But the other two are tipped down, right, left hand, right, left hand. So Shuffle 2 is the biggest, longest of them all. Now, there's no jimping on top on any of them. Wow, take that back. There's no jimping where you think there would be. There's none on this one. This doesn't fit too bad. It don't feel too bad. Actually, the clip. Hey, I was wrong. Actually, a Shuffle 1 is tip up. And I didn't even notice that. I thought it was tipped down like the other ones. So this one, I don't feel the, it's a little bit shorter, but I don't feel the pocket clip. I kind of feel that a little bit. But this one, tip down carry, this pocket clip, I can feel that all the time. I don't particularly like it. This one, and the same thing, I feel that bottle cap point a little bit. But this does have jimping along the top of the spine, and digs in pretty good. Front finger choil is just big enough. And this one's actually good. I like the front choil, finger choil on this one. And this one, just big enough. What else can I tell you about these? They're like everybody's first EDC knife, I think. This was the second one. This is actually the first one I bought. I ordered it, and before I got it, I got the Kershaw hot wire. And but actually, this is the first knife I recently bought to start carrying knives again. Let's do a little size comparison. Here's a Ontario Rat 2. You can see it's quite a bit smaller than the Rat 2. That's a DIY. The Shuffle 2. Line the points up. Still quite a bit smaller. And then original Shuffle. You can see how small they are. So they do carry good. I mean, they're small, lightweight, functional. Kind of this is a multi-tool. Bottle opener, screwdrivers. Bottle opener, screwdriver, little pry bar. Bottle opener. That'll work too. That'll work as a somewhat of a screwdriver and little pry bar. So little multi-function knives. They're pretty cool. But I guess that's it for these. I'm not going to go in great detail on every one. Just I had them. I was able to get all three, and I thought I'd show you. So I guess that's it. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down button. I don't care. Helps the channel. Shows activity. Leave a comment if you got one of these shuffles. What do you think of it? I might pick me up one of these DIYs just because the screwdriver bits. But yeah, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Guess until next time, bye.